Hello everyone and welcome back to Ian's English. Here's a very important lesson for you. I'm going to give you 75 examples to help you learn how to use the present continuous. Right? Let's get started. And before we start, hit the subscribe button down over there somewhere, okay? So, the present continuous. The form, the way we construct the present continuous is very simple. We use the present of the verb be, am is are, and we use the main verb in its present participle form. Examples of present participle are work, working, and play, playing, study, studying, have, having, visit, visiting, run, running. Notice that running is with a double N, R-U-N-N-I-N-G. We'll explain this later, okay? So then, in the affirmative then, we have the subject, for example, I, then we have the verb to be, and if it's I, it's I am, and then we have the verb, the principal verb. Let's use talk, for example. So, and then we say talking. So, I am talking, yes? Okay, and you are studying. Rachel is riding. Mike is running. My car is going. These are in the singular, and then in the plural they all use are in the verb to be. So you say we, for example, my son and I are singing la 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 la. Okay, and you in plural, so you and your sister, are phoning. Hello, can I speak to you? Okay, and the men and women over there, are shopping, yes? They need some new clothes. Right. Then, examples in the affirmative can be I am working in my school. You over there are playing football. Jane is studying for an exam. We are having breakfast. You, you two, are visiting your grandmother. They are running very fast. Okay, and in the negative form, we use the negative of the verb to be, right? So, if I am, you say I am not. So, I'm not working at home today. You aren't playing football very well, yes. Jane isn't studying for an interview. We aren't having breakfast. It's 11:30. This is more like brunch. So, you two over there aren't visiting your aunt and uncle today, You have to go to school. They aren't running as fast as the other people. And Sally isn't sitting in the library. Then, examples in the question form. So remember the question structure. So in the affirmative, you say, you are phoning. But in the question, we get the you and the are, and we change them round. And you say, are you phoning, my friend? Or, if we use a question word, for example, who, then we say, who are you phoning? Yes? Right? So, very simple. Okay? Then, so, some examples. Hey, what are you doing in the bathroom? I'm having a shower. Why is Mary wearing shorts? She's playing volleyball in the garden with Steffi. Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, I can see them. Where are John and Sophie going? No, they're in the car. They're driving to the station. Mum, where are you? What are you doing? I'm in the garden. I'm watering the plants. Are you watching the TV or can I switch it off? No, yes, okay, we're listening to music on my phone. If you aren't watching it, you can turn it off, yes. Am I disturbing you with my workout routine? Not at all. We're enjoying watching you. It's very relaxing, yes. Okay. Verbs ending in one letter E. In this case, we eliminate this final letter E and we just add ing. So we have, having, save, saving, face, facing, live, living, bake, baking, chase, chasing, shine, shining, and queuing. Yes, so Terry's having breakfast at the moment. I'm saving travel time and fuel by having today's meeting on Skype. The sun is shining. What a beautiful day it is. Who's Anne? Ah, that's her over there. She's facing this way. Hi, Anne. John? No, he's not dead. No, he's living in Spain now. My daughter is baking bread today. Look, those dogs are chasing that cat. I hope they don't catch it. My kids are queuing to go into the concert. I hope they get in. Verbs ending in double E, two E's, and double O have no change. So see, flee, agree, boo, and tattoo. Yeah. So then the firefighters are seeing a lot of action today with the forest fire. Oh, it's terrible. The kangaroos are fleeing the flames. Can you hear me? Yeah. I'm agreeing with you. Most of the crowd are booing, boo, the racist chants from a few stupid spectators. Yeah. Marie Claire is tattooing the actors for a new film about street artists. Then, verbs with one syllable, ending with one vowel and one consonant, then we double the final consonant. So run, for example, we say running, so with double N, okay? Sit, sitting, shop, shopping, skip, skipping, set, setting, and rob, robbing, okay? So those girls are running very fast. Who do you think will win? At the moment, I'm sitting at my dining room table. Just a moment. No, we're just shopping. We're shopping just now. We'll be home at 12. Sorry. The boxer is skipping. Yeah, the boxer is skipping to increase his footwork in the ring. Okay, so Jane and Bill are setting the table now. Then we can eat. Okay. Look, that man is robbing that old lady. Let's help her. Now, verbs with two or three syllables ending with one vowel and one consonant, for example, open, refer, admit, focus, remember, these double the final consonant only if the stress is on the last syllable. Now, what does this mean? So, the verb open, two syllables, open, but it's not open, it's open, so the stress is on the first syllable, okay? Right, so then, in this case, we do not double the N, yeah, so we just say opening, yeah, O-P-E-N-I-N-G, not double N. But admit, can you hear it? admit, so has the stress on the second syllable, yes? Yeah, the last syllable, yes, mit. So we say admitting with double T, yeah? And then with remember, focus and open, here are some examples. Now, yeah, I'm feeling nostalgic. I'm just remembering those wonderful holidays we had when we were at school. Now we just get 3 weeks holiday in this. Before 6 weeks holidays. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Okay. At the moment, I'm focusing on regular verbs. Just a moment. Another phone call. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yes. I'm just opening the door now. See you in a minute. Yeah. So, but admit. Finally, he's admitting that he committed the crime. I thought he would never do it. In British English, we always double a final L, like in label, yes? So we say labeling, L-A-B-E, double L-I-N-G, yeah? Or counsel, counselling, travel, travelling. So the dispatch workers are labelling all the boxes for delivery tomorrow. The career teachers are counselling the students about their university applications. Today, Mike is travelling to the capital by bus. In the US, the English in the United States, they do not double the final letter. So then we say labelling, counselling, travelling, but with a single L, not a double L. You'll see the examples in the document. Now, there is no change with verbs that end in Y, not with a vowel and Y, play, stay and toy, and not with a consonant and Y, photocopy, worry and empty. Yeah, so, hey look, Roger Federer is playing tennis on that court. Jimmy's staying at his mother's today. Brenda's toying with her pencil while she thinks of an answer. What can it be? Yes? Okay. Then her secretary is photocopying the document at the moment. Yeah. Jerry's parents are worrying because there's been an earthquake in the city where he lives. We are emptying out our old cupboards because we've got some new ones. Yes, at last, new cupboards. Okay, here's an exception, yes? These are the verbs that change IE to YING. So we have tie, tying, die, dying, lie and lying. Look, oh look, your son is tying his own shoes. So many kids rely on Velcro. Dad, do you want to see my new video? I'm dying to see it, darling. I'm sure it's wonderful. Why are you lying down? Are you okay? Yes, fine, thanks. I'm just stretching my hamstring muscles in my leg before I go running. Okay. Here are some other time words and phrases common with this use of the present continuous. So we have right now, just now, at the moment, for the time being, and at present. So look at these examples. Listen to these examples. So he's washing his hair right now. Yeah. Oh, it's raining just now. Then take an umbrella. So you're riding along the bicycle route at the moment. I'm listening to music and writing about the English language for the time being. Then I will do something else. Yeah. So again, sorry, phone call. Yeah, no, she's writing now. I can't disturb her. I'll phone back later. Yes. So they're listening to the radio at present. It's snowing at the moment.
I'm driving down the highway just now, okay? So I can't get my phone. I hope you can hear me, yes?
Okay. Watch my other videos to practice other uses of the present continuous. If you like my notes for this lesson and some exercises, click on the link below in the description, yes? Do you want to do a little class with me? So, write a sentence using the continuous verb form in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Go to our playlists. You'll see them coming up in a moment, yeah, for listening practice. So, have a good day. Bye now.